Are you ready to hop into letter H vocabulary? This is letter H. H is for hat. H is for hug. H is for hen. H is for hot. H is for hop. H is for hill. H is for head. H is for hair. H is for hand. H is for hard. H is for hero. H is for help. H is for horn. H is for hunt. H is for high. H is for hippo. H is for hello. H is for house. H is for heart. H is for happy. H is for horse. H is for honey. H is for hammer. H is for hockey. H is for handle. H is for Halloween. H is for holiday. H is for hospital. H is for handsome. H is for 100. You did it.